Also at 5:30, all charges have been dropped against a University of Miami football star who was arrested earlier this year. Freshman standout running back Mark Walton was taken into custody in April on suspicion of driving under the influence and without a license.
But today, prosecutors announced that they will not prosecute Walton. Local 10's Carlos Suarez joins us live now with reaction from Coral Gables. Carlos.
Victor and Janine, late this afternoon, Mark Walton's attorney said he plans to file a complaint with Internal Affairs about the case, the details of which he has yet to lay out. Now, is keeping mum about the entire thing, including whether or not Walton will be able to rejoin the team come the fall.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The pleasantries were brief, as was the court hearing. In video provided to us by 940 AM's Andy Slater, Mark Walton's attorney watched on as prosecutors told a judge they would be dropping all charges against the running back.
Thank you. That's all we have.
The decision puts an end to a case that cost Walton his spot on the football team. The 19-year-old was arrested back in April. Cameras then captured him performing a field sobriety test, which police said he failed. Walton was later given a breathalyzer test. Results showed he was below the legal limit for someone of legal age to drink, but he was just above the limit for someone under the age of 21. In its closeout memo, the state attorney's office said a lack of evidence kept them from moving forward with the case. They also dropped a charge of driving with a suspended license because Walton worked with prosecutors and paid a fine. On campus, students said they hope Walton and the school can move past the incident.
He's arguably our number 1, number 2 running back, so it's just good to have him on the field, good to focus on football, get that over with.
All right, now Walton isn't talking about the case. His attorney tells me that they first want to file that complaint with the Miami Police Department before Walton goes before a camera. We are live this afternoon on the campus of the University of Miami. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.